Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dual connection on your headphones JBL Tune 520. And right here what we have. We have a first device what connected with the headphones and the second do not. So go to the settings on your second device, then Bluetooth. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that make sure that your headphones is turned on and you need to press 2 times the power button on your right ear cup. So 1, 2, and now we enter to prank mode, so click on your headphones on your second device, and right here as you can see we have 2 devices connected to the headphones simultaneously. So we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!